sure.
Yeah.
It's right over here. But it's just like this when you're in a client's house and you're doing wall-to-wall carpet or a piece of furniture. Same thing. You can see one right there.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily urine because that's so tiny. It could be something else, but some type of bodily fluid. But you can see this one right here.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
It's almost easier.
Is that urine?
Yeah. It's almost easier to see it without putting the light right on it.
Yeah, I agree.
And there's a spot. I can see that one right there.
Yeah. Wow.
It's actually easier to see with the phone.
There's one right there, Mary's Day.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep. So now we're looking at some cushions that came in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to show, what happens when
Wow.
there's urine. So you can't see that. I mean, you can see it a little bit with the natural eye.
Sure, yeah.
But that is on natural material, natural fabric. So you can clean it and make it look a lot better as far as what the natural eye can see. But boy, when you put the black light on it, it is a different story.